I'm getting ready to do a test on the furnace now that I've got it lined with the rock wool. I've got casting grain, sterling silver. This isn't reclaimed, this is purchased. And I'm going to use a gravity mold. When I played with this furnace without the insulation in it, I saw how long it took to melt or not. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm filling up the chamber, the upper chamber on the gravity mold. A lot of people think because the silver's bright and shiny when I put it in, it's going to come out looking like that, and it's not. This is the low fire scale casting grain from a supply house, so quality is excellent. I've got some more silver here, but I'll get this a little bit where you can see it. It's full to the top. I'm going to position the furnace outside and we'll see what it does. Well, I just lit the furnace. I've never done a furnace the right way where it had insulation. I got to thank Rex at Hybrid Burners. He gave me a lot of clues on how to do it right, but you know, one of those self-made guys. I gotta just build what I see, but I've got the gravity mold in there, and I've got the dragon torch in there running pretty much wide open. We'll see how long it takes. It took 20 minutes or 22 minutes on the uninsulated furnace. Well, we'll just see what it does. Okay, I can see the casting grain laying in the top of it. That mold is almost red already. It took 15 minutes to get to this point with the uninsulated furnace. God, I hate to think I'm going to have to do 50 all the hybrid burners. I'm going to buy one of their T-Rex furnace and forge burners. When I start selling these, I'd really like to use a professionally made burner. Not that I'm not capable. Oh, there she goes. She's dropping already. Let me go look at the clock. Not too shabby. Oh man, how beautiful. Well, I am impressed. I am impressed. I'm going to let that go until I make sure that all of it is filled. Holy moly. I have built a monster. No, I built a dragon. Later. While I'm basking in the glow of success, I cannot believe the difference that insulation that I put in there made. I mean, that's impressive. 3 minutes. Cold furnace to silver melted. You know, the sterling melts at 1671 degrees. It's obvious this furnace has got the capacity to go a lot higher. I'm going to be pretty anxious now to get that T-Rex burner. I'm building a 3/4 burner right now, but I want to compare it to the T-Rex and see how it performs. Okay, enough gloating. I just took the ingot out of the pickle, but as bright and shiny as the casting grain was when I put it in there, this is the finish that it comes out at. It's a dull, almost a frosted color and a feel. I'm going to finish this ingot. I'm going to polish it up to see what the polished weight will be on it. This is one of my best ingots, one of my best selling gravity molds. Anyway, doesn't matter how bright and shiny the silver is when you put it in, once you apply the heat to it. And the advantage here is this is totally encapsulated in graphite, which is really helping to reduce the oxygen and the scale. There was almost no scale on this, and that is one advantage to using factory made 925 casting grade.